Lagoon today. We're here with Carolyn and Grant and Andres. There's our walkers. Here's Brad.
Tying my drawstring.
Oh, that does feel really good. I like that.
Yeah.
Oh, Boomerang Bay.
Well, it's so city now, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
I was trying to take a video. I wasn't trying to trip.
Yeah.
All right.
Hey, I'm not complaining. That's great.
Gosh.
Nope.
Oh,
Oh no!
oh no!
I'm going right into that.
I was not ready for that. Oh no, Brad.
It's missing me!
Hit me! Hit me!
Oh no!
There we go.
Oh gosh! Maybe I
Oh, you okay?
I'm trying to.
Knock my glasses off my face.
Maybe. I'm trying to get myself in this one. Hey, Brad. Otherwise, I'm just taking them off.
Backwards, this is a little scary.
Oh, God. I don't know about this, Brad. Oh, boy. Oh no! Oh!
There we go, turn around.
Oh no! It's on me! Got our lunch at Typhoon Lagoon. I'm floating away from you now.
Alright, we're on the lazy river now. Being lazy. Floating down the river. Andres is, yeah, he's just chilling back there somewhere. Took me a while to figure out how to get into this thing. Allie's having a nice time in the lazy river. Yeah, nice and relaxing. Been a little bit of a breeze too.
Alright, well I wish I had gotten this on video. Brad getting pummeled by the waterfall. But it broke your sunglasses, didn't it? Aw.
They were cute.
They were. I wonder if Andres made it through. He was well behind us. I know. He's wearing his hat too, yeah. Whoop. It's a pretty waterfall. Because it's not much. It's not as wide on the other side. I would have to hold it. Hang on, wait, if I hold it. They're probably booking it now.
Barely see Allie over the top of the tube. So short, so small. Help.
Moment of silence for Brad's sunglasses.
Fluid load. I have a bit. Here we go. I can't do it. You broke me.
I tried.
Oh my gosh. That's okay. sunglasses are okay? I'm going down backwards. I can't see anything. That's super fun. Oh gosh. I have no idea what's behind. Oh gosh, it's like a moving bridge. Oh, there's the waterfall where your sunglasses got killed.
My dad's sunglasses will survive.
I almost flew out.
I can't see.
I can't either.
My sunglasses are on.
Oh my god! I feel like I'm falling out of it.
We're relaxing in the pool now. Ah, nice breeze too. Feels good.
Trying to keep up here. Following Grant.
Alright, Brad, what'd you get?
Pulled pork nachos.
Yeah. We're at Polynesian. I got this Korean spicy chicken thing. I haven't tried it yet.
Yeah. Not on a curve. Yes. Once in a while. With a nice breeze. Happily ever after. A little far away, a little obscure, but still cool. Oh, lightning coming my way here too, so we'll see what happens. Everything.
Waiting for me.